If you see that, don't ignore it.
It's regenerating. I'll see you in a few.
Hello there, family friends. The beautiful across the world. Joey Joe back on the road. First, let me say it one more time, like I always said it on one of my videos. Congratulations to all the ones that have became a professional truck driver. That's a good feeling, man. Now you know what's gonna be and what's going to take to become a professional truck driver. You know, I always said it, you know, watch your tandems, watch your mirrors. They're your best friends, man. Watch your mirrors. That's all you can do. That's all you can do. That's all you're gonna do, and that's all you're gonna focus on doing. Leave your phone down. Don't trust me. Don't play with your phone. Don't text. If they text you, read that message later, man. Don't read it right away, because you never know, man. You could hit somebody from, you know, rear end someone. You don't want that. You don't want that. You don't want that. As you know, I drive a Freightliner. It's a 2019 Cascadia Freightliner. That's what I have. And this right here, right now, I want to show you something real quick. And if you see this message, stop and do the Regen. Right now, let me get a closer view so you can see. Right now, that light right there, that's blinking on my dash. That right there means it needs to be Regen. So then, the diesel particulate filter is full. So you have to park it, and then you have to control it, and then you see how it says stop Regen, press OK. Well, these new trucks, you know, everything is on the steering wheel. You know, you can just do the Regen on your steering wheel or manually, you know. Same thing with the old trucks. But every time you see that message, you gotta do it. Yeah, you gotta do it, because what happened is that these trucks are governed to, some of these trucks are governed to do up to 62 miles per hour. This truck is set for 65 miles per hour. Now, these trucks, if you don't do the Regen, what it is it cleans out the filter and it gets clogged, or it does it automatically. Now, if it reaches full, this truck is gonna come to a complete stop. Okay? The engine's gonna stop. You're gonna just roll neutral. It's just gonna come into a complete stop. Your engine won't be running at all. So if you need to get that done, get it done. Don't continue to drive like that, because trust me, you're gonna find yourself in a highway and it's gonna come to a complete stop. And I'm talking about the engine. The engine's gonna stop, and all you're gonna do is just roll. You're just gonna be rolling forward. That's what's gonna cause you to do. So do that. If you need to get to a safe haven, safe place, go ahead and do so, and do the Regen. Don't drive like that, man. Trust me, man. And it took 53 minutes to complete. So right now, so far, I've been on 30 minutes to complete. And yep. So go ahead and do that. All right. So yeah, I'll keep you posted, and I'll check you out on my next video. Right now, I can't move. Gotta get this thing done. And once it's complete, then you can continue to drive. But yeah, man, you don't want to, you don't want to drive and while that thing is on, man. Once you see that message, man, take care of it. Stop and do it, all right? So I'll keep you posted, man. Don't forget to drive safe, be safe, fly safe. God bless you all. Love you all. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Be safe. Be safe. That's what it looks like when you perform the Regen. When it starts regenerating, it's right there. To start Regen, press OK, which you can't really see it on the phone, on the camera. There it is. Okay, that's it. And that's good to go.